Hi everybody, in this video let's learn about how to determine the model class and the mean of a set of group data. Table below shows the height of a group of teachers. Determine the model class and the means for the following group data. What is the group data? Okay, you look at here, we have 5 groups over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 teachers. Their height are within this range, but we actually don't know how many of them their height are 161 centimeters, 162 centimeter, 163 centimeter, 164 centimeter, or 165 centimeter. We just know that their height for these 5 teachers is within this range. So we have 5 groups over here. This type of data we call it group data. So every group we can call them as class interval. So we have 5 class interval here. Every class interval has its own lower limit and upper limit. For example, let's look at this class interval. The smallest value of this class interval is the lower limit. And the highest value of this class interval is the upper limit. So same thing for this class interval. The lower limit is 166. The upper limit is 170 centimeter. It means that to be categorized in this group, the minimum height is 166 centimeter. The maximum height is 170 centimeter. If the height of the teachers more than 170 centimeters or less than 166 centimeters cannot be categorized in this group. Okay, so last time you learned about mode. This model class is almost the same thing like the mode. Mode is the data which has the highest frequency. Okay, so now how about model class? Model class is the class interval which has the highest frequency. Okay, now we want to determine the model class. We look at this frequency. We have 5 teachers, their height are within this range. We have 10 teachers, their height are within this range, and so on. 5, 10, 6, 12, and 7. Among these all value, which one is the highest? Which one is the largest? 12, right? So the model class is not 12. The model class is over here. So the model class is 176 centimeters to 180 centimeters. Okay, this is a model class. Okay, next thing, let's learn about how to determine the mean. Okay, now we have 5 teachers, their height are within this range, but we don't know how many of them are 162, 161, 163, and so on, right? So how do we determine the mean of this set of data? So we need to find a value to represent this class interval. So every class interval we have to find a value to represent them. So we will use midpoint. Some book will call this midpoint as class mark. Okay, how to get the midpoint? Very easy. To get the midpoint, we just take the lower limit plus the upper limit and then divided by 2. 163 centimeters. Okay, so this is 163 centimeters. We actually don't have to calculate the midpoint for every single class interval. So how to get the midpoint for the other class interval? in a faster way, we can do it this way. Now you try to observe 163 and 161. What are their relationship? This 161 plus 2, you will get 163, right? So the rest, you do the same thing. 166 plus 2, 168. Okay, let me use back the red color. 166 plus 2, 168. 171 plus 2, 173. And 176 plus 2, 178. 181 plus 2, 183. Okay, let me double check again. 163, 168, 173, 178, 183. Okay, we need to add another column, which is fx. So now we are going to assume that the 5 teachers, their height is 163 centimeters. So the mean that we get from this method is actually just an estimated mean. It's not an actual mean. If you want to get the actual mean, you need to take the height of every single teacher plus together, and then you divide it by the total number of teachers. But in this case, we are not able to do that. Okay, fx, it means that 5 times 163. You take the frequency times the midpoint. 5 times 163. 815. 10 times 168. 1680. 6 times 173. 1038. 12 times 178. 2136. And the last one, 7 times 183. 1281. Okay, to get the mean, what's the formula for mean? Do you still remember? We take sum of fx divided by the total frequency, right? Okay, so now here we add 2 more cells over here for this table. So this, we find the total frequency. We take 5 plus 10 plus 6 plus 12 plus 7. You get 40. Okay, here, sum of fx. 815 plus 1680 plus 1038 plus 2136 plus 1281. 6950. Okay, so the next step, we just take this all value, plug in here to get the mean. 6950. 6950 over 40. So it's 173.75 centimeters. Okay, so this is the way how we get the midpoint and the model class from a frequency table with a set of group data. Okay, hopefully you understand better after watching this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.